Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing how to plan the perfect road trip in the USA. A road trip is an exciting way to explore new destinations, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. But planning a road trip can be overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to start. That's why we've compiled this guide to help you plan the perfect road trip in the USA. Step 1. Choose your route. The first step in planning the perfect road trip is to choose your route. The USA is a vast country with countless scenic routes to choose from. Some popular routes include Route 66, Pacific Coast Highway, and Blue Ridge Parkway. Consider your interests, time frame, and budget when choosing your route. Step 2. Decide on your stops. Once you've chosen your route, it's time to decide on your stops. The USA has a variety of attractions, from national parks to big cities, so there's something for everyone. Research the destinations along your route, and create a list of must-see stops. Be sure to include a mix of tourist attractions and off-the-beaten-path destinations to make the most of your road trip. Step 3. Plan your accommodations. After deciding on your stops, it's time to plan your accommodations. There are several options for road trip lodging, including hotels, motels, campgrounds, and RV parks. Consider your budget, comfort level, and preferred amenities when choosing your accommodations. Be sure to book your accommodations in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. Step 4. Pack smart. Packing for a road trip can be challenging, as you need to bring everything you'll need without overpacking. Consider the weather, activities, and duration of your trip when packing. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered, comfortable shoes, and essential items such as a first aid kit, sunscreen, and a map. Step 5. Budget wisely. Road trips can be expensive, but with careful planning, you can stick to your budget. Consider your transportation costs, accommodations, food, and activities when creating your budget. Look for deals on gas, food, and attractions, and be open to alternative options such as camping or cooking meals instead of eating out. Step 6. Be flexible. Lastly, be flexible. Road trips can be unpredictable, so it's essential to be adaptable. Be open to changing your route or itinerary if needed, and take time to enjoy the unexpected moments of your trip. In conclusion, planning the perfect road trip in the USA takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Follow these steps to choose your route, decide on your stops, plan your accommodations, pack smart, budget wisely, and be flexible. With these tips in mind, you'll be on your way to an unforgettable road trip adventure.